Hello Lego fans, today I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how I made this little buffet line for ice cream sandwiches. Here's a good look at the back of it as I spin this thing around. I'm going to show you how to build this thing. You might want to put this in an ice cream shop or a restaurant, maybe a school. It's a little buffet line, doesn't have to be for ice cream, could be for pretty much anything. So let's go how to build it. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about how to make this buffet table. So first I'm going to take 4 of these 2x2 slopes that are icy clear, put them together like this, and I'm going to take a 1x8 white tile and connect them all together. That is the top of the buffet. Put that aside for a moment. Then we will take our 2x8 white plate here, and we are going to line it with these little wall elements, and we are going to make this thing 6 wide. So I'm just taking advantage of the ones I have. I had a 1x2 and here's a 1x4. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side to put these in like this so that we can have a tray for the food, in this case ice cream sandwiches. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a 1x1 white cone, and then another round 1x1 element. This time I went with a tube, and then one more tube on top to get it to be the right height. And then I did the same thing on this side with the 1x1 cone, the 1x1 tube, and one more 1x1 tube. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to save a little time and have these already pre-built. So these can go here and here. Then what I can do is I can put my top on to get the buffet table top just right. Slide that in and lock it in. And now the height of this thing isn't quite right for a Lego minifigure to be scaled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little legs on it underneath. I'm going to take a 1x1 round plate, put it in here, and then add a second one to the same spot to make the leg 2 plates tall. I'm going to make the same thing on the other 3 spots so that we have 4 legs on there. Then you have your Lego buffet table that is the proper height so that a minifigure could come in and shop at just the right height. Hopefully you can see that, not really. But on this side, you should be able to tell that it's about the right height for a minifigure to come in and grab some food. Then all we're going to do is make some ice cream sandwiches to stock this buffet table. So my ice cream sandwiches are going to be made with a 1x2 black plate, then a 1x2 white plate to represent the ice cream, and then a 1x2 black tile for the top. And that will make me a little ice cream sandwich there, which I will slide into the buffet table. I did the same thing with the reddish brown color to make some more milk chocolatey ones as opposed to the dark chocolate that you might note in the black. And I made a few more just for fun. Here's another dark chocolate one. Here's another milk chocolate one. And it looks like we've got room for one more. So here is one more dark chocolate to go into my buffet table. The perfect size. Here's a close-up view of this Lego buffet table that holds, in this case, ice cream sandwiches. Thanks for tuning in.